Hello everybody, welcome in this new video. Today we're gonna see together how to do a study of missing items using the if function in Excel. So let's begin together. First we're gonna create in the first column, articles from A to O or any other names like you want. In the second column we're gonna write the existing number of these articles. You choose whatever you want. And in the third column, we gonna write the needed quantity. So, like we see in a manufacturer, we have articles, we need quantity, and we have quantity. So, we have to see how many quantity we gonna reserve or we gonna buy. This is the quantity to reserve. Okay, now we in this side in quantity to reserve we click equal and we write if the condition is when the needed quantities is more than the existed quantity. So we're gonna see the existed quantity minus the needed quantity, minus the existed one. Else we gonna reserve 0, and then we gonna see all the articles. Seeing the first one, we need 0 articles because we have 120 and we need only 25. In the second article, we need 125 and we have only 25, so we have to reserve 100 articles like this. Thank you for watching and goodbye.